Kasama ka.
Ay, naku, mira.
Oh.
Oh, sige, sige. Yung first verse at saka second verse, pareho lang yung skipping. 16 na ganito. Nasayaw na natin to dati, pero ginawa namin is short time na kasi. So, simple steps na lang. So, 16 na ganito. Tapos, tapos 7 na ganito. Tapos chorus na. Alam niyo naman siguro yung chorus. Because of you, I can dance. Because of you, I lift my hands. Because of you, I can sing. I am free. Yeah, yun lang po. Tapos yung bridge, we're jumping, shouting, dancing, spinning, singing. There is freedom. Tapos pabalik-balik na niya. So, yun lang po. God bless.